Imagine walking into work one day, feeling good, feeling confident, only to find out that you've been let go. Your world crumbles in seconds. It's like the ground has been ripped from beneath your feet. You're confused, hurt, even angry. For many, this nightmare scenario is a harsh reality. Some say they never saw it coming, others question if they did something wrong. But the truth is, sometimes it feels like there's no reason at all. It's a punch in the gut, a blow to the soul, and it can happen to anyone. You're left wondering, why me? What did I do to deserve this? Let me tell you, you're not alone. So many people find themselves in this bewildering situation, and it's one of the toughest things anyone can face. But right here, right now, I'm going to help you navigate this. We're going to journey through the chaos and bitterness together, and we will come out stronger and more resilient on the other side. Stay with me. First, let's talk about the pain. That initial shock is overwhelming. You might feel betrayed, embarrassed, maybe even ashamed. But remember, it's okay to feel these things. It's important to allow yourself to process these emotions. You are human, and it's okay to not be okay right now. But let me assure you, this moment doesn't define you. You are much more than your job, your role, your title. And though it may not feel like it right now, being fired can open doors to opportunities you never even imagined. Next, we need to look at why this happens. Sometimes it's downsizing, cost-cutting, restructuring, or simply the dynamics of a volatile economy. Other times, it could be due to office politics or being in the wrong place at the wrong time. Sometimes it's a mismatch between you and the company, philosophies, visions, or the direction things were moving. This isn't about you failing as a person. It's often about circumstances far beyond your control. So, how do you bounce back when life knocks you down? First and foremost, reclaim your narrative. You can't control the past, but you can shape the future. Start with self-introspection. What did you enjoy doing at your job? What aspects didn't you like? Use this as an opportunity to define your career goals clearly. Instead of seeing this as an end, view it as a new beginning, a chance to redesign your path. Create a plan. Set immediate, short-term, and long-term goals. Maybe it's time to learn a new skill, get a certification, or pivot to an entirely new industry. There's no rush. Take this time to rebuild yourself, one step at a time. Fill your days with purpose. Keep a routine, stay active, and connect with those who support you. Remember, it's not just about finding another job. It's about finding the right job for you. Lean on your network. You'd be surprised how many people want to help if only you let them know. Reach out to former colleagues, mentors, friends, and family. Tell them your story. Be open to advice, but also give yourself permission to listen to your own intuition. Sometimes the most unconventional advice is what leads to the greatest breakthroughs. Consider alternative paths. Have you ever dreamt of starting your own business or freelancing or consulting? This might just be the perfect time to give it a shot. Many people who once faced termination came back stronger, more passionate, and more successful because they pursued the dreams they never dared to chase before. Above all, be kind to yourself. This is not the end of the world, though it might seem like it. New chapters often make the best stories, but it's up to you to write them. You are resilient and capable, and you will overcome this setback. It's these moments that truly define us and transform us into who we are meant to become. So, take a deep breath, hold your head high, and bravely face the future. The end of one road is just the beginning of another, and incredible things await you if you're willing to take that first step forward. Believe in yourself and remember, you are not your job. You are a force of nature, boundless and unstoppable. The future is yours to shape, and it's going to be extraordinary. Thank you for being here with me today. I believe in you, and I can't wait to see all the incredible things you're going to do.